The violence in Assam provoked an almost immediate response in Jharkhand because many of the Adivasis who work in the tea gardens were brought here from Jharkhand's Santhal region over a century ago. Jharkhand politicians were in Guwahati within hours of the clash. On Monday, JMM even called for a bandh. Bishwesh Arya tries to find out how real and strong is the outrage in Jharkhand.
Less than 24 hours after the clashes, the political heat in Guwahati being kicked up by a set of unlikely faces. Arjun Munda, the former BJP Chief Minister of Jharkhand, protesting outside a hospital where injured Adivasis were being discharged.
नहीं, हम तो बैठे हुए हैं। अब ले जाए गाड़ी, हमारे ऊपर से ले जाए गाड़ी।
यानी जब तक गाड़ी वापस नहीं जाएगी तब तक
नहीं, ये पेशेंट जिसको मैं अपनी आंखों से देख रहा हूँ, जिसकी हालत गंभीर है, उसको हॉस्पिटल में तुरंत लेके जाए और उसको बढ़िया से ट्रीटमेंट कराए।
Munda's theatrics followed by another visit from Jharkhand. Munda's rival, JMM Chief Shibu Soren.
जिस आदिवासियों पर ऐसा होता उसमें से मैं भी एक हूँ, इसलिए मुझे पूरा अनुभव है। और इस गड़बड़ी का जिम्मेवार आज के दिन में हम जिस सरकार में हैं, इसी में भी यूपीए की सरकार, हमारा दिल्ली में भी मैं हूँ और हमारा झारखंड में यहाँ भी वही है।
Munda from BJP, Soren from JMM, both politicians from Jharkhand with no base in Assam. But both are here to support the Adivasi cause, primarily since most of those injured in the clashes were originally from the Santhal region of Jharkhand. They had migrated to work in Assam's tea estates more than a century ago, but their claim to a tribal identity and demand for a scheduled tribe status has meant instant sympathy for their cause back in Jharkhand. On Monday, tribal groups called for a Jharkhand bandh, supported by a range of political parties: JMM, BJP, JVM, JDU. Followed soon by threats of an economic blockade.
The Ghasti incident, which took place on 24th of November, has triggered a great kind of burning in Jharkhand. Today Jharkhand is bandh, and I, as the chairman of Jharkhand Dissom Party, would make sure that the tea garden Adivasis who have been forcibly migrated, forcibly deported to Assam, have to be listed in scheduled tribe. Otherwise Jharkhand will burn, economic blockade will take place, and iron ore, coal and other minerals will not go out from Jharkhand.
What's astonishing was the rare political unity on display. Within a day, Jharkhand's BJP government had sent a delegation to Guwahati, led by a rival political leader, Shibu Soren, whose party Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, interestingly, is an ally of the UPA at the centre. But in Assam, Soren had no qualms protesting against the state's Congress government. Some would say this is a sign of tribal mobilization. Others would argue it's opportunistic politics.
अपने राज्य से आप देखें, झारखंड से जो मंत्री लोग वहां गए, वे यहां आकर के अपनी जो बातें कह रहे हैं, उससे लग रहा है कि उनका मकसद सिर्फ अपने लिए वोट बैंक अर्जित करना था। उन्हें केंद्र सरकार पर दबाव पैदा करना चाहते हैं कि असम सरकार की विफलता के लिए उसकी अकाउंटेबिलिटी तय हो, उसको सजा मिले। इसके बारे में किसी ने कोई सवाल नहीं उठाया।
Jharkhandi leaders may be trying hard to be Adivasi champions in Assam, but at home, the same leaders are widely seen as having failed the tribal cause. In Ranchi, Bishwesh Arya for NDTV.